I'm going to show you one of my absolute favorite tools. Actually, it's two tools on Adobe Express. The first one, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to translate documents. So I have this document that I've created. This is just a file that's a static image that I've created using some AI and other stuff. But I want it in other languages. So you can see here in the top right that there's only one page, but I'm going to go ahead and click this translate page. And then up here, it's going to give me selections. I can go ahead and just click and scroll down, or I can type and it'll give me the words that match that one. So I'm going to go ahead and do simplified Chinese and Spanish. And then this just dropped pretty recently. Tone, I can keep it formal, informal, or don't change the tone. I'll just leave it like that for now. I only have the one page, but if I had multiple, I could select, or maybe if I'd already translated, I would only want to do just the English page into other languages. So I'm going to go ahead and click translate. It's going to take a second. Now, of course, this is only as good as other AI and, Google Translates and things like that. And there we go. Really quickly, you can tell that I already have it now in simplified Chinese. Now, because of the way the characters change, I can go ahead and move how I want it. This is also, right, I did this special text to font. So I did the felting sort of font. So I can go in and remake all of this, make it bigger, make it fit, but everything is right where it should be. And then I can also go between pages. So here's page 3. Looks pretty good in Spanish, so I can go ahead and just leave this, and then I could just download these as different files or things like that. I'm going to show you another really cool thing. I'm going to go back to the Rainbow A, and one of my favorite things that I think gets overlooked a lot are these quick actions. So I'm going to go ahead and click View All. There's tons of really cool, powerful stuff in here that are great, like one-off things. But I'm going to go ahead and go to this purple background lady, the caption video. And it's going to take me a second, but I'm going to go ahead and locate a video. So this is just a quick video that I had made for Adobe. I'm just going to drop it in here. Again, it's just a little selfie video that I had added some text to. Some hashtags. So what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and caption my video for me. It'll take a second. Obviously, the longer the video, the longer it's going to take. This is like a 28-second video, so it's going to take a little bit longer, but we've got some cute little graphics. All right, now it's done. You can see I have all these different styles of caption. I can go ahead, I can customize the colors. There's lots of different colors. So I can do all that stuff. This one is one of my favorites for our early readers, right? Let's go ahead and hit play.
Hey friends, it's Julia. I am super excited to be partnering with Adobe to bring you the 12 days of creativity.
So I'm going to pause right there. This one actually, I was speaking really slowly, but sometimes what happens is it actually messes up, and I can actually, so like say I wanted to put this as TWELVE, and that will actually just change it right there. I'm not going to do that because it's going to mess this video up, but I'm going to keep it as 12, but I can actually edit in there. I'm going to just go back to the standard, and I'm going to go ahead and click open an editor. It'll take a second to load. And then you can see here right now I have my files, looks the same.
Hey friends, it's Julia.
I can move this text around. Maybe I want to, the video already has those in there, so I have to leave that. Now, same thing, I can go in and translate, right? Just like we did before. Let's go ahead and just pick a couple random ones. I've been setting Indonesian. Let's go ahead and click translate. And obviously, again, it's going to take a second. This is same as before, only as good as, you want to make sure you maybe check it. But here I have my videos, and let's go ahead and hit play.
Hey friends, it's Julia. I am super excited to be partnering with Adobe to bring you the 12 days of creativity.
So now I really like this, but of course, maybe I have languages, people that are speaking both languages. So I'm going to select this text and I'm going to just copy it. And then I'm going to go back to my main page, and I can actually paste this, and it's going to put it right on top. But now I have translation of both languages here.
Julia, I am super excited to be partnering with Adobe to...
Obviously, I'd have to move it over just a pinch, maybe make it a little bit smaller. But there we go. I've now captioned my videos as well as added a second language on there. And you can keep adding languages. Obviously, at some point, it would be overwhelming. I wouldn't probably do more than 2. But that is it. That is how you use the translation features in Adobe Express. Let me know what